FAIM 2022 Organization. Organizing Committee. General Chairs. Kyung Yun Kim, Wayne State University, USA. Leslie Monplaisir, Wayne State University, USA. Technical Program Chairs. Jeremy Rickley, Wayne State University, USA. Saravanan Venkatachalam, Wayne State University, USA. Murat Yildirim, Wayne State University, USA. Industrial Program Chairs. Ratna Chinnam, Wayne State University, USA. Qingyu Yang, Wayne State University, USA. Communication and Media Chairs. Sarah Massoud, Wayne State University, USA. Yanchao Liu, Wayne State University, USA. Conference Managers. Mark Garrison, Wayne State University, USA. Cameron Morris, Wayne State University, USA. Assistant Conference Managers. Shengyu Liu, Wayne State University, USA. Zhenyu Zhou, Wayne State University, USA. Steering Committee, FAIM 2022. Frank Chen, The University of Texas at San Antonio, USA. Munir Ahmad, Khwaja Farid University of Engineering and Information Technology, Pakistan. George Christopher Vozniakos, National Technical University of Athens, Greece. Kyung Yun Kim, Wayne State University, USA. Advisory Board, Program Committee. Esther Alvarez de los Mozos, Universidad de Deusto, Spain. Americo Azevedo, INESC Porto, Portugal. F. Frank Chen, The University of Texas San Antonio, USA. Paul Eric Dasso, ICAM Paris Senart, France. Fernaz Ganjayazada, California State University, East Bay, USA. Dong Won Kim, Chonbuk National University, South Korea. Stephen T. Newman, University of Bath, UK. Shaikh F. Odwoza, University of Wolverhampton, UK. Margherita Perezzini, University of Modena and Reggio Emilia, Italy. Alan Ryan, University of Limerick, Ireland. Francisco Silva, Polytechnic of Porto, Portugal. Dusan Sormas, Ohio University, USA. Leo de Vin, Karlstad University, Sweden. George Christopher Vozniakos, National Technical University of Athens, Greece. Liwei Wang, KTH Royal Institute of Technology, Sweden. Yi Kai Wang, Feng Chia University, Taiwan. Honorary Chairs. Munir Ahmad, FAIM Founding Chair, Khwaja Farid University of Engineering and Information Technology, Pakistan. F. Frank Chen, The University of Texas at San Antonio, USA. William G. Sullivan, FAIM Founding Chair, Virginia Polytechnic Institute and State University, USA. Scientific Committee. Rita Ambu, University of Cagliari, Italy. Jan Christian Aurich, Technische Universität Kaiserslautern, Germany. Fazlina Badruddin, University of Kentucky, USA. Amarnath Banerjee, Texas A&M University, USA. Antonio Bastos, Universidade de Aveiro, Portugal. Sarah Bedard, University of Florida, USA. Panorios Bernardos, National Technical University of Athens, Greece. Giovanni Berselli, University of Genoa, Italy. Satish Bukapatnam, Texas A&M University, USA. Michelle Cali, University of Catania, Italy. Osiris Cansiglieri, Pontifical Catholic University of Parana, Brazil. Gaetano Cascini, Politecnico di Milano, Italy. Eric Kodania, Tampere University, Finland. Ming Dong, Shanghai Jiao Tong University, PR China. Stephen Ekwaro Osire, Texas Tech University, USA. Mohammed El Mansour, Ensom, France. Zhaoyan Fan, Oregon State University, USA. Irene Fassi, Consiglio Nazionale della Ricerca, Italy. Luis Pinto Ferreira, Instituto Superior de Engenharia do Porto, Portugal. Jörg Frank, Friedrich Alexander University of Erlangen-Nuremberg, Germany. Liang Gao, Huazhong University of Science and Technology, China. Andrea Ghiatti, University of Padova, Italy. Karl Hapala, Oregon State University, USA. Witold Habrit, Rzeszów University, Poland. George Q. Huang, The University of Hong Kong, Hong Kong. Jingwei Huang, Old Dominion University, USA. Prashanth Kanda Gokuldas, Tallinn University of Technology, Estonia. Gul E. Kramer, Iowa State University, USA. Ismail Lazolu, KOC University, Turkey. Jose Lima, Research Center in Digitalization and Intelligent Robotics, CEDRI, Portugal. Angelos Markopoulos, National Technical University of Athens, Greece. Andrea Mata, Politecnico di Milano, Italy. Dimitris Mortsis, University of Patras, Greece. Aydin Nasehi, University of Bristol, UK. Dimitris Nathaniel, National Technical University of Athens, Greece. Pedro Neto, University of Coimbra, Portugal. Maria Teresa Pereira, Polytechnic of Porto, Portugal. Stavros Ponis, National Technical University of Athens, Greece. Duc Trong Pham, University of Birmingham, UK. R. M. Chandima Ratnayaki, Professor, University of Stavanger, Norway. Jose Carlos Sá, Polytechnic of Porto, Portugal. Raul Duarte Salgueiro Gomes Campilho, ISEP, Portugal. Gilberto Santos, Polytechnic Institute Cavado Avenue, Portugal. Panagiotis Stavropoulos, University of Patras, Greece. Hung Da Wan, The University of Texas at San Antonio, USA. Yang Zheng, Concordia University, Canada. Rongho Zhang, Wayne State University, USA. Zhu Zhou, Wuhan University of Technology, China.